Of course, I'm very excited that the full celebrity season is back and I think वही बिग बॉस का फाउंडेशन था जब शुरू हुआ था. सलमान जी को ही अंदर देखना चाहूँगी बिकॉज बाहर इज़ फन एंड नाइस, ही इज़ हैंडलिंग एवरीथिंग गुड, बट आई डोंट नो वंस ही इज इनसाइड द हाउस हाउ इज ही गोइंग टू बिहेव when he'll have to like wash clothes. Don't mind going inside the house as a guest for a day for like 10-20 minutes, or I don't mind staying there for a day or two, but I don't think I'll go as a wild card interest.
ओके, सबसे पहले तो बिग बॉस में वापसी करके कैसा लग रहा है सरकार, फिर चाहे वो शो लॉन्च ही क्यों ना हो.
Well, Big Boss में तो वापसी नहीं है, but obviously I'm a part of this press con that's happening, and it's amazing because I have been associated with Big Boss for so many years now, and I was a contestant in season 6 and we are starting season 13, and वक्त कैसे निकल गया पता ही नहीं चला, and it's obviously it's fun to be a part of Big Boss, and I always enjoy being a part of Big Boss in any possible way.
ओके, इस बार होने वाली है सेलिब्रिटी एक्सप्रेस, जैसे कि हम यहाँ देख भी रहे हैं, एक मेट्रो ट्रेन के सेटअप में आप बैठे हो, आपको कैसा लग रहा है ये?
Of course, I'm very excited that the full celebrity season is back, and I think वही Big Boss का फाउंडेशन था जब शुरू हुआ था, to see your celebs 24 hours and uncensored, and to know what they do, how they eat, how they get up, how they talk, how are they as a person and not as a personality. So I think it's again back and I'm very happy.
आप अपने सेलिब्रिटी फ्रेंड्स में ऐसे कोई है कि जिसको आप देखना चाहते हो, हु इज़ वेरी मच फिट फॉर दिस सीजन, इस थीम को ध्यान में रखते हुए?
I think बहुत सारे लोग हैं who are fit, but I think it's also their choice of not going, not coming. I know a lot of people who have been offered every year, but they don't come because they feel that they're short-tempered, and if they come, उनका जो already reputation है वो खराब हो जाएगा. So I think I wouldn't name them, but yeah, obviously like that's what they've always been telling me. So I think yeah, and there are a lot of people I know who were approached this year and they were like करना है नहीं करना है, then they were like okay we'll see next year. So that has also happened.
आप पर्सनली किसे देखना चाहोगे स्क्रीन पर, हु इज योर फ्रेंड एंड आप जिसके लिए चीयर करना चाहोगे?
ये क्वेश्चन बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन लगता है मुझे समझ भी नहीं आता. आई थिंक मैं सलमान जी को ही अंदर देखना चाहूँगी बिकॉज बाहर इज़ फन एंड नाइस, ही इज़ हैंडलिंग एवरीथिंग गुड, बट आई डोंट नो वंस ही इज इनसाइड द हाउस हाउ इज ही गोइंग टू बिहेव when he'll have to like wash clothes, cook and do all the household chores. So I would really like to see him inside doing all this for sure, and like getting nominated by people who are around you, who you talk to, like I talk to you every day, why would you nominate me? So I think yeah, I would like to see him doing all this.
ओके, लास्ट में अपने फैंस को कुछ कहना चाहेंगे बिग बॉस से, या तो उसके पहले से ही आपको इतना प्यार?
Well, obviously मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी because of Big Boss only I have got so many fans, and I created my Insta page also after I was out of the house, and I'm very happy that there's so much of love that comes through social media, and so many people who can actually communicate to you through messages, and how they write, even if you're not replying to them. Like I feel this is called unconditional selfless love, what people talk about, nothing in return but everything to give. I think that's amazing, and kahin na kahin, as I told you before, I think we all like to be loved, we all love to be loved, and that is something that we needed. It's a necessity for me, and I'm very happy that that's what social media gives me, and thanks to Big Boss and so many other work and projects that I've done, which has helped me gain so much of love and fan following and good followers.
ओके, लास्टली एज वाइल्ड कार्ड एंट्री जाने का मौका मिले जाओगे, क्या स्ट्रैटेजी होगी?
मैं शो 2 बार खेल चुकी हूँ, जस्ट बाय द वे इफ़ यू डोंट नो. एक खुद का सीज़न और एक सीज़न 8 में मैं हल्ला बोल के लिए गई थी, जहाँ पे मैं गुड इनफ 3 हफ्ता रुकी हूँ. सो आई डोंट थिंक दे वुड टेक मी. वाइल्ड कार्ड के लिए आपको थोड़ी सी ऐसी ऐसी तेज़ और फटाकेदार कंटेस्टेंट चाहिए, एंड ऑब्वियसली यू वांट अ कंटेस्टेंट जिसको लोग नहीं जानते हैं, ताकि आप एक नया पर्सनालिटी डिस्कवर करो. लोग मुझे ऑलरेडी जानते हैं. सो आई थिंक मैं जितना कुछ कर सकती थी या दिखा सकती थी अपने सीज़न में, वो मैंने कर दिया है. So I don't mind going inside the house as a guest for a day for like 10-20 minutes, or I don't mind staying there for a day or two, but I don't think I'll go as a wild card entry. Hi, this is Sana Khan and you're watching me on Telemasala.